Welcome to Consumer Reviews. The best monitor screws is probably one of the most crucial yet often overlooked components when setting up your new monitor mount, ensuring a secure and stable connection between your display and the articulating arm that holds it, preventing accidental drops or damage and providing peace of mind for your valuable equipment. Number 5. Mount-it Dual Monitor Desk Mount MI 2752. Introducing the Mount-it Dual Monitor Desk Mount, designed to elevate your workspace. It supports two monitors, each up to 32 inches and 19.8 pounds, with VISA compatibility for most brands. Experience ultimate flexibility with full motion adjustability. You can easily tilt, swivel, rotate, and adjust the height of each monitor independently for a perfect ergonomic setup. Constructed from high-strength steel, this mount is built to last. It offers dual mounting options, including a C-clamp and grommet base, to fit your desk securely. Keep your workspace tidy with integrated cable management. Clips along the arms and pull neatly organize your cords for a clean and professional look. Setting it up is a breeze with all hardware included and clear instructions. Detachable VISA plates ensure quick and precise monitor alignment. We stand behind our product with a lifetime warranty and 60-day risk-free returns. Our US-based support team is ready to assist you with any questions. What we like. This mount offers exceptional flexibility with full motion adjustability for dual screens. It boasts a heavy-duty steel build for durability. If you need a robust and adaptable setup for productivity or gaming, this is the choice for you. What people say. The screws are well made and fit perfectly for mounting my monitor. Good quality screws that made the monitor mount installation easy and secure. Number 4. VIVO M4 M8 Universal TV and Monitor Mounting Hardware Kit. Tired of searching for the right hardware? Our universal bolt, spacer, and washer kit is designed to fit virtually every VISA-compatible screen, removing the frustration from mounting. This kit includes M4, M5, M6, and M8 screws and spacers, ensuring compatibility with a wide range of TVs, even the less common ones, up to 80 inches. Rest assured, our bolts are constructed from sturdy steel. This ensures that both small and large screens are held securely in place. Everything you need is organized and easy to find. Each piece of hardware is clearly labeled and packaged separately for a tidy and efficient setup right out of the box. Forget the hassle of mismatched or missing parts. This universal mounting kit makes installing your TV quick, easy, and stress-free. What we like. This kit provides universal VISA compatibility and features clearly labeled hardware for a seamless setup. Its secure steel hold ensures your screen stays put. If you're tired of searching for the right screws and want a hassle-free installation for most TVs, this is the perfect solution. What people say. The screws are well made and fit perfectly. Good quality screws that are easy to install. Number 3. WALI Universal TV Mounting Hardware Kit, UVSP. Tired of searching for the right screws? This all-in-one kit has everything you need to mount your TV securely. It's designed for maximum compatibility with all types and brands of TVs. Whether you have a flat or curved screen, this hardware is designed to fit most TVs up to 80 inches. It includes all necessary screws, washers, and spacers for a perfect fit. This comprehensive 68-piece set includes M4, M5, M6, and M8 TV screws, along with spacers. Everything is pre-divided and clearly labeled for your convenience. Crafted from premium alloy steel, these screws offer strong and reliable holding power. You can trust them to keep your TV mount secure for years to come. Installation is made simple with clearly sized screws and included spacers for better cable management. It's ideal for new installations or replacing lost screws. Your package includes the WALI UVSP hardware kit and a user manual. Plus, you'll have access to friendly US-based customer support, available 7 days a week. What we like. This all-in-one set includes everything you need with premium alloy steel construction for reliability. It's designed for ease of use, with clearly marked components. If you're looking for a comprehensive and user-friendly hardware kit for various TV sizes and brands, this will simplify your mounting process. What people say. The screws are well made and fit perfectly. Good quality screws that are easy to install. Number 2. Universal TV Mounting Hardware Kit. Tired of searching for the right screws? This universal mounting hardware kit is designed to fit most TVs up to 80 inches, ensuring a secure and stable setup. No matter the brand, this kit is compatible with a wide range of TVs, including popular names like LG, Sharp, and Vizio. It's the versatile solution you've been looking for. Everything you need is included in this convenient pack. With various screw sizes, washers, and spacers, you'll have all the necessary components for a successful mount. Built to last, these screws are strong and durable, resisting stripping and providing a reliable hold for your valuable television. You can trust it to keep your TV safe. Installation is a breeze thanks to the clearly labeled components. Everything is neatly organized, making it simple to find exactly what you need without any frustration. Please note that the hardware required to attach the wall plate to your wall is not included in this kit. Ensure you have these items before you begin installation. What we like. This kit fits most TV brands and includes all necessary hardware for a strong and durable mount. The packaging is clearly labeled for easy selection. If you need a reliable, all-inclusive hardware solution for your TV mount and want to avoid missing parts, this is a great option. What people say. The screws are well made and fit perfectly with my monitor mount. Good quality screws, they feel sturdy and secure. The variety of screw sizes included is very helpful for different monitor VISA patterns. Number 1. Mount It, Universal TV Mounting Hardware Kit. Introducing the Universal TV Mounting Hardware Kit from Mount It. This comprehensive set is designed to provide a secure and reliable solution for mounting your TV or monitor. It offers universal compatibility, fitting most TV and monitor mounts, including major brands. This ensures a secure fit for screens ranging from 19 to 85 inches. This kit includes a total of 92 pieces, featuring M4, M5, M6, and M8 screws, washers, and spacers. Everything you need for a VISA wall mount installation is right here. Each component is sorted and clearly labeled, making hardware selection quick and accurate. Save time and effort during your installation process. Crafted from high-quality steel, the screws, washers, and spacers are built for strength and durability. You can count on long-lasting performance and a secure mount. This hardware is ideal for mounting flat-panel TVs, monitors, and other VISA-compatible devices. It accommodates various mounting needs, including curved or large screens. Achieve a stable and secure fit with this kit, giving you peace of mind. It's perfect for both home and office, with easy-to-follow instructions for a smooth setup. What we like. This kit offers wide screen compatibility and a complete hardware set, all labeled for easy selection. It's made from premium quality materials for secure installation. If you have a large TV or monitor and want a comprehensive, easy-to-use hardware solution that ensures a stable fit, this kit is ideal. What people say. The screws are well made and fit perfectly with my monitor mount. Good quality screws, they feel sturdy and durable. The package included all the necessary screws for mounting my monitor. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.